Unlocking everyday English. Understanding pop in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fun and useful phrase to break down for you, pop in. We hear this phrase quite often in everyday English conversations, and it's a versatile one that can be used in various contexts. So, whether you're an English learner aiming to boost your conversational skills or just curious about the nuances of this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore the different ways you can use pop in English. Pop in is a phrasal verb, and phrasal verbs are a crucial part of English language. They can be tricky because their meanings aren't always obvious from the words that make them up. To pop in generally means to visit briefly or to go to a place for a short period of time. For example, if a friend says, "I'll pop in for a coffee later," they mean they'll come over for a quick coffee. It's informal and suggests a spontaneous or casual visit. Now that we understand what it means, let's see how to use pop in sentences. Can I pop in and borrow a book? This sentence suggests a short and casual visit to borrow a book. I need to pop in at the grocery store. Here, the person intends to quickly visit the grocery store, probably to pick up a few things. Feel free to pop in anytime. This is an invitation for someone to visit whenever they like, implying that the visit can be casual and doesn't have to be planned in advance. There are also variations of pop in that you might find useful. Pop into. This is used when referring to going into a specific place. For example, I'll pop into the office to grab some documents. Pop by. This is another informal way of saying you will visit someone for a short time. For example, I'll pop by your house later. And there you have it, a thorough look at the phrase pop in and how to use it in everyday English. Remember, it's all about context and the casual nature of the visit. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your conversations. If you have any questions or need further examples, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.